right? Okay, so we'll continue our next topics, ma. So previously we have discussed about deployment models, right? What are that deployment models we have discussed, ma? What deployment models we have discussed? Yes, public and private models we have discussed, right? So here public, what is this public? Can you give any words for that? Which one will be a better, public or private? In cloud computing, yes, private will be better, right? Compared to the public cloud, private will be better, right? But private will be very costly, right? But more security will be there, right? More security will be there when compared to that public cloud, right? Remember that examples, ma, whenever I am hosting my website, okay, after that I will tell to service provider remove that my website, means there will be a no guarantee that my website backup will be available with that service provider. He may use in his future, or okay, like that there will be a no guarantee. And simultaneously I can say that I never use the word like 100% security will be there, right? But compared to this public cloud, private cloud is better, ma, but it will be a costly, right? So in which situations we can use this private cloud, ma? In which situations we can use private cloud? Answers. In which situations we can use this private cloud? Yes, right, for bankings we can use it, right? For colleges, which cloud facility we have to use, ma? For colleges, universities, uh, which cloud model will be better for colleges? Private. No, ma. Soumya is right. Public. Yes. మన కాలేజ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనం డిస్ప్లే చేసుకోవాలి అందరికి అంటే పబ్లిక్ గానే ఉండాలి. దేర్ విల్ బి ఏ నో ఎనీ సెక్యూర్డ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, రైట్? మనం ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి అవన్నీ అనేది ఉండదు కాలేజెస్ దాంట్లో, రైట్? సో వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ దిస్ పబ్లిక్ క్లౌడ్ ఫర్ అవర్ కాలేజ్ వెబ్సైట్స్ ఆర్ కాలేజ్ informations, right? And in which case we are going for this private cloud, means for like hospitals, banking sectors, okay, the data which I want to secure more, okay, for that we can go for this uh, private cloud. Yes, universities, some universities they are using private clouds, I'm saying about the colleges. Yes, colleges they can use this public cloud. Yes, Indra Tej, you right. My universities mainly they are going to be using the private clouds. Big universities who can afford the cost, okay, who need their own private cloud so that no one can access to their information, okay. In their private cloud, here they are recruiting the person and they are going to be maintaining their own infrastructure, everything, and utilizing the services, right? So next, we are going to see the community cloud. Have you heard this word community cloud? Have you heard this community cloud, ma? So here mainly this community cloud, here it is a cloud, okay. This community cloud is a cloud facility generally shared by different organization, right? So here it is going to be allowing all the systems and the services, okay, to be accessible by a group or several organizations to share the informations, right? So here this community cloud is nothing but it is going to be providing a private and public, okay. So here it will be providing the private cloud services, right? Here in this community cloud it will be deploying as like a private cloud, but different organizations group laga form they can share all the cost and infrastructure, okay, once they are satisfied, okay, once they are I can share my data, I want to share all the infrastructures with the other organizations, okay. if they decided these all things means they can go for this community cloud. Okay, at that time cost will be less. Okay, cost will be less, they will be sharing the infrastructure and they will be sharing the data with each others, right? So we'll see one example, ma. Here we are having this community cloud. Okay, we are having three different organizations, organization 1, 2, 3, right? So let us assume this organization one, here we are having IT department, income tax department. Okay, and second, here we are having some social welfare department, ma. And some third organization is general administration, right? So each and every department here now each and every department is having a computerized and their own data itself, right? So here these three organization together they are going to be forming in a community cloud. Okay, they can share the information at common place. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు for example we are having hospitals, take the hospitals, ma, like Apollo, KIMS, Yashoda, and one more hospital. Okay, so four hospitals are there. Okay, they will be they want security. Why? Because already we have seen that in private cloud, we have seen one of the example, ma, that the patient has done the surgery but the information has been leaked by leaked by whom, ma? By other service providers. At that time the bad name and everything will be happened on the hospitals, right? So this all the nuisance, right? So what the so అదంతా న్యూసెన్స్ అని వాళ్ళు ఓన్ గా క్లౌడ్ కొనేసుకొని వాళ్ళ దాంట్లోనే అన్ని ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్స్ రిసోర్సెస్ మెయింటైన్ చేసి ఒక పర్సన్ ని రిక్రూట్ చేసుకొని they are maintaining their own everything, so they are not giving anything to the third party, right? So here these four hospitals they will be deciding, okay, we want some security, right? And at the same time we can share the infrastructure and cost will be less. Okay, cost will be less. Okay, like that they will be deciding if they are agree with this agreement SLA. Okay, with this agreement then only they are going to be taking the setup cloud. Okay, setup cloud ఎక్కడ చేయాలి, ఏ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో పెట్టుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది, దే విల్ బి డిసైడింగ్ ఎట్ వన్ ప్లేస్, మా. లైక్ అపోలో దగ్గర పెట్టుకుందామా, లేకపోతే okay according to their need and the requirement they will be deciding and they are doing the cloud setup at one place. If four hospitals lo they will be doing at one location, right? Let us think like this KIMS. Okay, KIMS they are setting their own cloud. Okay, their own infrastructure, everything, but it will be a shareable. Okay, here set up cloud at wherever the locations they are, everyone are accepted. Okay, and they will be able to share the infrastructures and simultaneously cost for these all things. If they are agreements, next step they are going to be doing the setup of the cloud at one locations and they are going to be sharing with each others, right? So in this community cloud you can share the data, infrastructure, and simultaneously cost also you can share in this community cloud, right? So here another example you see, ma, here we are having the organizations, right? Why this community cloud, if community cloud implement అయ్యి అందరు యూస్ చేస్తే చాలా బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉంటాయి. Simultaneously government is also not going to be encouraging to this type of community cloud. Why? We will see. So we'll see with one example. So if these three departments are going to be integrated with each other means they can share the information with each other, ma. For example, if I want to apply a ration card, okay, I will go to the organization too. Okay, that is social welfare department. I will tell that I need the ration card. Okay, I need the ration card so that I can utilize the services of that ration card, like not food, like Arogya Sri and everything. Okay, hospitals, that all things I want to utilize. For that purpose, we are going to be taking this ration card. Okay, so what first thing he will be asking, is your salary or is your salary is below poverty line or above? Okay, these all things he will be asking. however, I am a government employee. Okay, I am paying the income tax. Okay, to this IT department. Okay, everything details will be stored in this organization one. So I will be telling. So what he will be saying in this welfare department person. Okay, no need to worry, sir. Give some 5,000 or some amount. Okay, as a bribe, he will be taking some amount, and however he will be arranging the ration card. Okay, normal process. Okay, I am explaining normal process without community cloud, right? So normal process, he will be arranging the ration card. Okay, so in general administration there will be a no verification, nothing. Directly, if they are maintaining their own means, directly he will be receiving. If if this government sector is using the community cloud and these organizations are integrated with each other means, whenever I go for this social welfare department for the ration card or anything, like for example your scholarship also. Okay, you people are applying a scholarships. Before applying that scholarship, you have to bring income certificate also. For any purpose, you are going here and collecting the certificate. So once these organizations are integrated with each other means, this organization will be cross verified. Yes, ఈ స్టూడెంట్ కి, ఈ పర్సన్ కి స్కాలర్షిప్ వస్తుందా రావట్లేదా. Okay, he can get the details easily. Means here means he is already he is paying the income tax ma. Every year he will be paying the income tax and his details are storing in this organization one. Okay, if this company here they are integrated with each other, then easily he can get the information and they can get the data. Yes, you won't get this all, you are not eligible for these all things. They will give the information if it is integrated. And ఓటర్ ఐడి కార్డ్స్ కూడా, మన ఆధార్ కార్డ్స్, ఇలాంటివన్నీ కొన్ని డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ తో లింకప్ అయి ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, చాలా మనకి అసలు ఎక్కడైతే డూప్లికేషన్ రీప్లికాస్, ఎక్కడైతే మిస్యూజ్ జరుగుతున్నాయి, దొరికే వాళ్ళకి దొరకకుండా, ఓకే, ఉన్న వాళ్ళే ఊకే వాళ్ళే యూజ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటుండ్రు. These all things will be come out. Okay, but government is also not focusing on these all things. Okay, these all things they are not focusing, right? So community cloud mainly, it will be providing a, means here we can deploy a private cloud services, means group of organizations together, they can share the infrastructure, they can share the cost, and they can utilize the cloud services. Okay, group of organizations they can షేర్, రైట్? సో మీ స్కాలర్షిప్స్ ది కూడా అమ్మా మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, స్కాలర్షిప్స్ అప్లై చేయడానికి ఫాదర్ ఇన్కమ్ సమ్ 2 lakhs అబౌవ్ ఉందా లేదా, 1 lakh సమ్ లిమిట్ విల్ బి దేర్. ఓకే, 1 lakh అబౌవ్ ఉంటేనే వీళ్ళకి, ఓకే, 1 lakh బిలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకే స్కాలర్షిప్స్ వస్తాయి, లేకపోతే రావని చెప్తారు. సో వాట్ యూ పీపుల్ విల్ బి డూయింగ్, యూ పీపుల్ విల్ బి బ్రింగింగ్ ఇన్కమ్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్. ఓకే, సోషల్ వెల్ఫేర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నుంచి మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, ఆ సర్టిఫికేట్ తెచ్చి ఎలానో అలా కింద పడి తెచ్చి ఆ సర్టిఫికేట్ ని మీరు సబ్మిట్ చేస్తారు. అదే మన ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్, కాలేజెస్ ఆ స్కాలర్షిప్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అండ్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కి ఇంటిగ్రేట్ అయి ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ సబ్మిటింగ్ ద ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్, సారీ, income certificate, here it will be cross verifying. Your father is paying every year here income tax, how you got this income certificate, ఇక్కడ దొరికిపోతారు ఎలానో, రైట్? సో కమ్యూనిటీ క్లౌడ్ మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ ఇన్ గవర్నమెంట్ సెక్టార్స్ దే ఓంట్ యూస్ మా, they won't use. Okay, but in hospitals or different organization they want to share a group. Okay, different organizations వాళ్ళకి కాస్ట్ తక్కువ పడాలి, ఓకే, ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్, ఇన్ దాట్ కేస్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి this community clouds, right? So remember that example so that it will be easable, right? So here mainly why we are preferring this community cloud means, it will be providing a private cloud facility but with different organizations. Okay, but with different organizations is combinedly with cheapest cost. Okay, here we are going to be sharing our cost and everything, right? So but this is not apply for welfare in governments. Okay, okay, గవర్నమెంట్ దాంట్లో వాళ్ళు అప్లై చేయరు, ఎందుకంటే ఇలాంటివన్నీ బయటపడితే ఇవన్నీ ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలా వాళ్ళకు ఉండదు, రైట్? సో ఓటర్స్ కూడా, ఇన్ ఎలక్షన్స్ ఓటర్స్ కూడా అది జెన్యూన్ గా లింక్ అయ్యి మన ఆధార్ తో లింక్ అయ్యి అది చేశారనుకోండి, then it will be very useful. But they won't do these all things. They need some voting counts and all things, right? No one will be taking care about that. If they use this community cloud, means easily they can integrate with the other organization, and easily we can get the information of the person who is doing the wrong and misusing the services of the government. At that time, like that cases we can catch easily, right? So it is owned, managed, and operated by one or more organizations in the community, a third party or a combination of that them, right? So ఈ 4 organizations లో ఒక ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఆ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ దగ్గర సెటప్ క్లౌడ్ పెట్టి వీఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, రైట్? And here, what will be the advantages for this community cloud? First of all, here it will be providing a private cloud facilities for different organization, right? They are going to be sharing the whole cloud with several organization and community. That's why it will be a cost effective, and whatever the cost is there, they will be sharing with each other. Infrastructure will be sharing with each other. ఓకే, డేటా కూడా వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేసేసుకుంటారు మా 4 కావాలి అంటే, రైట్? సో సెకండ్ ఒపీనియన్స్ కి కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారు, వేరే వేరే హాస్పిటల్స్ కి వెళ్తారు. వెళ్ళినప్పుడు వాళ్ళ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్స్ కూడా వాళ్ళు, ఒకవేళ వాళ్ళు కమ్యూనిటీ క్లౌడ్ లో ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి, దే విల్ బి నోయింగ్ ఆల్ ద డీటెయిల్స్ అబౌట్ దట్ పేషెంట్స్, ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ దే కేమ్, ఓకే, ఫర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్రైటీరియా, ఓకే, వాళ్ళకి ఏం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనేది, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, సమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అండ్ డేటా దేర్ విల్ బి లోడెడ్. Okay, and here it will be a cost effective, right? And flexible and scalability, ma. Okay, community cloud is a flexible and scalability and compatibility with every user. Security will be there, same as like a private cloud. Okay, public cloud, whatever the public cloud we are facing the problems, that problems we are not going to be facing in this community cloud, right? Here sharing the infrastructure will be there. Okay, whoever formed has the organization, within that 4 organizations, okay, how many organizations they have formed in a group, they can share the infrastructures, data, okay, and cost they are going to be sharing with each other. So that are the advantages, right? So disadvantages, what are the disadvantages here? Community cloud is not good choice for every organization, right? Like every organizations కి ఎందుకు ఇది గుడ్ చాయిస్ కాదంటే, ట్యాక్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కి ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేసేస్తే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? ఓకే, యువర్ రేషన్ కార్డ్స్ కి అండ్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ కి దానికి చేసేస్తే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? అందుకే ఓటర్ ఐడి కార్డ్స్ అండ్ ఆధార్ కార్డ్స్ and with other organizations, if we done any integrations, means they won't encourage simply this community cloud. Why? Because every each and detail is will be maintained in that. Okay, and second, slow adaptation of to data, and fixed amount of data storage and bandwidth is shared among all the community members, right? Whatever is there, okay, fixed will be there, and they are going to be sharing with each other. And the community cloud is a costly than the public cloud, sharing responsibilities among organization will be difficult. Okay, we have to share everything with the other organizations also, right? So community cloud is costly. Costly means in the case if we are only there, okay, with other 2 or more organizations will be there, means it will be a cheapest, right? So these are the disadvantages of this community cloud, right? So clear, community cloud, so that we can go for the next topic, hybrid cloud. Remember that example so that you can easily understand differences between these all clouds. Have you understand? Yes or no? Any doubts you can ask my community cloud. Otherwise, I will be moving to the hybrid cloud. Okay. Okay, fine. So, have you heard the hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud. First of all, hybrid cloud, it is a combination of any above facility cloud, right? So simply we can say that hybrid cloud is a combination of public cloud, either a private cloud or a community cloud. Okay, together we are saying that it is a hybrid cloud, right? So together we are saying it is a hybrid cloud. Yes, hybrid cloud is a combination of any public cloud or a private cloud, right? So we have discussed one example, right? So in private cloud, here SBI Bank is using Meghdut private cloud, right, ma? So for doing their backups of data and recovery of the data, they are going for the another public cloud, ma. Okay, Control S is a public cloud. This Control S is a company which offering backup and recovery services. There will be a no development, nothing. Only this company will be taking care of the taking care of like the backuping and recovering of the data, whatever the documents they have given, they will be storing in their clouds, right? So here Meghdut is a private cloud of SBI, right? So here private cloud of SBI. This SBI, why they need this private clouds means, so they are having this Meghdut has a own private cloud. Why? Because daily they will be generating some more than 8 TB. Okay, 8 TB transactional data only. Okay, only transactional data they are going to be generating. Okay, to store this all data, okay, previous year's data, transactional data, so okay, that all data they are going to be giving to this third party, right? So here this what the SBI Bank is doing means they are maintaining their own cloud. Okay, they are maintaining their own cloud, and they are switching to the public cloud also. Okay, in which case they are switching to this controllers for backup and the recovery if anything happened to their data or anything. Okay, so these all data they are going to be storing in this control S, right? What is the meaning of this control S? Save, right? Save. So here they are going to be save means here they are going to be saving our data, and they are doing the backups and the recovery services, right? So here control S company will be here in Hyderabad maybe. Okay, long back they are having some data centers in Hyderabad, and they are going to be maintaining all the backup service, all the backup and recovery services are going to be providing to all different organizations. Mainly they will be providing, and simultaneously here they are paying a huge amount also. SBI Bank, it is not utilizing a free. Okay, they will be paying some huge amount for the controllers company. Okay, for storing these all data, right? So here hybrid cloud, it is a combination of private cloud and a public cloud, right? Private cloud or a public cloud or a community cloud. Okay, it is a combination of hybrid cloud, right? So here hybrid clouds, we have discussed that example, right? SBI Bank, it is a private, they are using the private, in which case they are going for the public cloud, right? So here the main aim of this cloud is public and private. They are going to be creating unified, automated and well managed computing environment. Okay, so they are going to be non-critical activities are performed by the public cloud. Okay, ఏదైతే యూస్ లేదో అవన్నీ పబ్లిక్ క్లౌడ్ తో పెట్టుకుంటుండ్రు, and critical activities in their private cloud, right? So what this SBI Bank people are doing, the old transactions data or whatever the transactions data has been done, that data only they are going to be storing in the public cloud, and remaining all in their own cloud, right? At that time nothing will be happen, right? So mainly here who will be using these all means finance, healthcare, and universities. Okay, universities enduku universities ante universities what they will be doing means there will be a lot of students, passed out students, but they have to maintain their informations. Okay, in that case they will be selecting to this hybrid cloud. They will be storing all the old data, passed out details, that all details for the hybrid cloud, right? Healthcare also. Okay, previous years old data, healthcare patients details, that all things they are doing the backup and storing in the controllers companies. Okay, and they can store, they can utilize this hybrid cloud, right? So best hybrid cloud providers who are going to be providing this means here Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Cisco, and NetApp. They are going to be providing hybrid cloud facilities for all the users, right? They are going to be provide, they are the providers and they are providing the services to the users who need this facility, but based on the cost. Okay, based on the cost only they are going to be providing. It's not free of cost, ma. Any service is not free of cost in this cloud computing, in cloud, ma. Remember one thing, if you people are using your Gmail, Facebook, or an, you people are thinking that it's a free, right? We people are thinking it's a free, right? But at the back end, who are the owners of that Facebook, Instagram, or whoever, వాళ్ళు ఎన్ని మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ అమౌంట్ సంపాదిస్తున్నారమ్మా వాళ్ళు. ఎస్, మంత్లీ, ఇయర్లీ, హౌ మచ్ అమౌంట్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఎర్నింగ్. They are providing services for free for us, right? At the back end, what that people will be doing, they are selling our data, our informations, okay, to the required organizations, whoever are requesting, okay, whoever are paying some amount for them, they are going to be providing the data. So here our data will be sold. Okay, our data will be sold for that. In that way they are getting much amount, but we are utilizing the free services, right? So here what will be the advantages of this hybrid cloud? Okay, flexible, first of all it will be a flexible and secure, ma, right? Flexible and secure in which way we are saying, ma? Here SBI bank, what it will be doing, it is having its own private cloud, storing the present data, okay, important data in its own cloud, right? In its own cloud, and whatever the old data is there, that will, in that case they will be switching to the public cloud, right? So in that way it will be a flexible and secure and cost effective, ma. Okay, in their own hybrid cloud cost less than the private cloud, right? So why means in our own cloud I will storing my own present data, okay, that all. So here whenever I want to do some backup or for recovery purpose only, we are sending some files to the public cloud, right? So at that time it will be a cost effective. Okay, security will be there and risk management. Okay, security will be there means here what we are doing, whatever the old data, critical activities, okay, non-critical activities will be there, that all data will be sending to the public cloud. If they use also, nothing will happen to us. Already it's a old transactional data, right? All passed out students data, okay, like the data will be stored in that. First of all, that file will be not openable. Why? Because whatever the files, whatever the backup documents we are sending to this controllers company, before that here we are doing some encryption and decryption. Okay, based on that we are sending the information, right? So risk management. Okay, hybrid cloud provides an excellent way for the companies to manage the risk, right? So that easily they can recover and they can get the backup of the information. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of this cloud, this hybrid cloud. Okay, network issues. Okay, if network issues will be there means it will be become a complex one. Okay, without networks we cannot connect and we cannot do all our works also, right? Infrastructures compatibility will be there. Okay, major issues in a hybrid cloud: infrastructure compatibility and reliability of the services depends on the cloud service providers. Okay, reliability means depends on the cloud service providers. right? So these all are the disadvantages of the hybrid cloud, right? So this totally we have discussed about the four things. What are the private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, okay, and community cloud, right? This all comes under the deployment models, right? Whenever the question comes, okay, whenever the questions comes, explain briefly about deployment models, means you have to explain these all four models, okay, four models. Otherwise they will be asking like a difference between public cloud and private cloud, okay, difference between, like that they will be asking, right? So be prepared for in that way. This topic is very very important, ma.